The son of MOS home Ashish Mishra now to be summoned by the UP police for interrogation. Remember, the hunt is on. In fact, Ashish Mishra, who is the son of MOS home Ajay Mishra, he's been accused in the Lakhimpur violence. He's been summoned by the UP police for investigation. It's been 4 days since the violence took place and the FIR was registered. But so far, no arrests have been taken place. Here you have the UP police saying that they were on the hunt for Ashish Mishra, and now a summons has been issued to Ashish for interrogation. But nonetheless, no arrest has been made so far. Remember, Ashish Mishra has also been charged with murder in the FIR. That's a serious allegation which the UP police has so far not made an arrest so far. And not just Ashish Mishra, but no other arrests have been made in this case, in the Lakhimpur violence, where 8 farmers, at least 4 of them being protesting farmers and 4 others who succumbed in that violence, where 4 of them were mowed down allegedly by Ashish Mishra's car. Was he present in that vehicle? That remains to be seen. Well, we have Santosh joining us live for more on that. Santosh, यहाँ पर यूपी पुलिस ने समन्स इशू किया है आशीष मिश्रा के लिए. आशीष मिश्रा अब है कहाँ? क्या वो absconding है?
देखिए, आशीष मिश्रा कहाँ है, यही सबसे बड़ा सवाल है. इसीलिए आशीष मिश्रा को पूछताछ के लिए समन दिया जाएगा. वहीं दूसरी तरफ आईजी रेंज की तरफ से कहा गया है कि आशीष मिश्रा की तलाश में टीमें भी उनकी तलाश कर रही हैं. सर्विलेंस की मदद लिया जा रहा है. अभी तक जो अपडेट आया है कि 2 लोगों से पूछताछ की गई और उस पूछताछ के बाद 3 लोगों की गिरफ्तारी की गई है. लेकिन जिन 3 लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया गया उनकी डेथ हो चुकी है इस पूरे इंसिडेंट में. लेकिन तमाम और भी वाइटल इन्फॉर्मेशंस मिली हैं इनको, जो इस पूरे इन्वेस्टिगेशन में आगे बढ़ा रही हैं. अभी तक यही जानकारी मिल पा रही है कि हर एक व्यक्ति का रोल अब लखीमपुर पुलिस को पता चला है कि घटना में शामिल कौन कौन लोग किस भूमिका में थे. जी,
मगर संतोष, यहाँ पर आशीष मिश्रा 4 दिन से उनका कोई अता पता नहीं है. यूपी पुलिस ने उनको इससे पहले कभी बुलाया नहीं है. FIR में मर्डर चार्ज डाला गया है आशीष मिश्रा के ऊपर. फिर भी अभी तक 4 दिन के बाद भी आशीष मिश्रा लापता है. यूपी पुलिस क्या कह रही है इसके बारे में?
देखिए, हमने इसी बात पर क्वेश्चन किया तो उन्होंने साफ तौर पर कहा कि आशीष मिश्रा की तलाश के लिए टीमें हैं, सर्वेलेंस उनको बारे में लोकेट किया जा रहा है. एंड सेकंड थिंग कि जो लीगल कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन है उसमें आशीष मिश्रा को समन किया जाएगा टू क्वेश्चन हिम इस पूरे इंसिडेंट को लेकर के कि क्या इस पूरी घटना में उनसे पूछताछ की उनके पास क्या जानकारी है. ये लीगल कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन है. उसी लीगल कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन में आशीष मिश्रा को समन किया जाएगा. लेकिन अगर बता दूं कि अगर ये आशीष मिश्रा नहीं आते हैं, देन ही विल बी declared as an absconder from the court, and this is the legal process which Lakhimpur police is going to proceed.
Well, Santosh, this matter has now been taken up in the Supreme Court, and it is about time that the UP police come out with exactly what happened. Do you believe that the UP police is in the know of exactly the entire violence that ensued and who instigated it and who is the culprit behind the killings of 8 people in that violence?
Right now, we can say that Lakhimpur police has formed a special, we can say, the team that is investigating the viral videos of that whole incident. And right now, they have two persons. They questioned him, and after that, Lakhimpur police getting the role of each and every person who was involved in that incident. And after that, the legal course of action is going to be taken, and some more person will be summoned for the questioning.
Well, yes, we know that that's eventually what's supposed to be happening, is that the UP police will have to summon all of them. That's inevitable. But the question is, why no arrests 4 days on?
The IG range claims that this is the legal course of action they are following. But it is a general perception that if a common man did such crime he commits a murder, and he will be booked within 24 hours and he will be sent to jail. But this is a question because he is a son of a big political leader, and after that, due to which we can say that Lakhimpur police is following the legal course and legal procedures to summon Ashish Mishra.
Is that why you're saying because he's a son of a big political leader that he's been let off? He's not been even questioned for 4 days?
So, yes, IG range, what we have asked him about the Ashish Mishra arresting, she claimed that we have summoned him, Ashish Mishra. We have summoned Ashish Mishra, and if Ashish Mishra doesn't appear before the team, then they will follow the legal course of action, and after that the court will declare him absconder, and that will be, we can say that that will be the next process of investigation, and we can say the next process that Lakhimpur police is going to take for the Ashish Mishra arresting.
Well, Santosh, if you can really sort of break it down, what are the allegations that have been made against Ashish Mishra in that FIR? 302 charge of murder has been slapped on him. What, apart from that, are those sections in that FIR?
In the FIR, there's a single section, that is the murder, that is the IPC 302, which was imposed on Ashish Mishra. He is the named accused in that FIR that was lodged by the Jagdish Singh, resident of Nanpara, Bahraich. His son died in that whole incident, and he only named Ashish Mishra, including 15 to 30 persons unknown. So we can say that Ashish Mishra is the only named person in this whole FIR.
All right. Stay with us, Santosh. I'm going to cut across to Uttar Pradesh Police IG Lakshmi Singh speaking to India Today. Let's take a listen.
2 people have been called for questioning based on the evidences which had been supplied, which had been given to us. They have confirmed the role of 3 others who are unfortunately dead. Technically, they have also been accounted for. These people are giving quite a lot of information. As soon as this information is legally verified, we shall proceed ahead with legal